In a small, isolated town nestled deep within a dense forest, a chilling mystery unfolded. Over the past few weeks, the residents began experiencing unexplained disappearances and strange occurrences. Fear gripped the community as rumors spread of a malevolent force lurking in the shadows. Late one moonlit night, a group of intrepid investigators decided to explore the source of the unsettling events. Armed with flashlights and nerves of steel, they ventured into the heart of the forest, unaware of the horrors they were about to encounter. As they ventured deeper, the forest grew eerily silent. The only sound that pierced the air was the rustling of leaves under their feet. The investigators stumbled upon an ancient, decrepit structure partially hidden behind overgrown vines and foliage. It seemed to be a long-forgotten research laboratory. Inside, they found dusty journals and yellowed documents that revealed a horrifying experiment conducted decades ago. A deranged scientist had once experimented on a rare species of giant, highly intelligent insects with a taste for human brains. These insects were kept in a hive-like structure hidden beneath the laboratory, allowing the scientists to control their movements and manipulate their cravings. With a growing sense of dread, the investigators realized that the hive was not abandoned. The insects, having fed on human brains for generations, had become cunning and had managed to escape the confines of their underground prison. They were now lurking in the shadows, waiting to pounce on unsuspecting victims. The investigators felt the walls closing in around them as the grotesque insects began to stalk their every move. Each member of the group was plagued by horrifying nightmares, visions of their own minds being devoured by the insidious creatures. As the night wore on, the group dwindled in numbers, with each member succumbing to the relentless onslaught of the brain-eating insects. Those who managed to survive could barely trust their own senses, haunted by the chilling whispers of the creatures in the darkness. In a desperate attempt to end the nightmare, the last remaining investigator devised a plan to lure the insects back into their hive. Using a recording of the scientist's voice from the old documents, they created a makeshift broadcast that mimicked the hive's control signals. Leading the insects back into the hive proved to be a dangerous and nerve-wracking task, but the investigators succeeded, sealing the entrance and collapsing the structure with the insects trapped inside. The investigators stumbled out of the forest, scarred and traumatized, forever haunted by the horrifying events that unfolded within those nightmarish woods. They could never shake the feeling that the malevolent insects still lurked in the shadows, waiting for the right moment to strike again. To this day, the forest remains shrouded in darkness, a place where the boundary between nightmares and reality blurs. The tale of the brain-eating insects serves as a grim reminder that some horrors are best left buried in the depths of forgotten history.